I came to SAIC because of the Robust Art and Technologies program. So I describe what I do as exploring topics about emerging weaponized technologies. I'm incredibly fortunate to have a studio that is on the 11th floor of a building downtown. So I have a view while also in addition being like so close to all of the amenities offered in downtown Chicago. Almost every project I do incorporates at least some element that's 3D printed. My main work desk, which I was able to recently refinish using the wood shop here at SAIC, very nice. It's nice and smooth now, not as many burn marks. I've got a whole host of hand tools, including like having a whole bunch of hardware on stock. Have been finishing up a larger project, this fully 3D printed cannon here. It's like over 300 hours of printing time. I'm just in the process of putting a bow on it, and it's going to be going into the graduate show and another show here. This is a fully cast iron cannonball, sized for the cannon. 6-inch diameter and about 30 pounds. One of the professors here at SAIC offhandedly mentioned that he was going to an iron port, and I asked if I could come along, and he said yeah. So I was able to go out there and make a cannonball. Within the greater community of graduate students here at SAIC, there is so much talent and knowledge. And so being able to like talk with them regularly and like do the mind meld with them, it's incredibly inspiring. Prior to coming to the school, I had a studio practice, but I wasn't able to devote as much time to it as I would have liked. Coming to SAIC and engaging in a graduate program really makes you pin down the things that you're interested in working on and like gives you the space to do it as well.
What's the latest you've ever stayed at your studio?
Latest became earliest, you know, ran into the next day.